Welcome back to the World Taekwondo Global Membership System tutorial. This is part 4 of the event creation tutorial. We had just finished with the creation of the event, and in this video we show you the final step of the event creation process, which is setting up the fee structures. Once you have created an event, it would be on the events page, and as an administrator you would have this button called admin. You click on admin, and here you will have to click on the manage registration periods. So as there is no period that has already been created, we will create a new time period. In this case we will show the regular registration period, and the start date would be July 2018. So this was the 7th, and ending on the 20th of July 2018 at 12 a.m. Now these are different permissions where they can be modified. Members can delete or add new sub events during this period. Once you click on add, you will then have to add the fee structure. Now you have the different options here, like flat fee, where payment is made per member, pay by sub event, where payment is made according to the number of sub events the athlete is being registered for or the members being registered for, pay per contestant, meaning paying for each contestant that is registered, and paying by gender, where we need the ability to charge a fee depending on the athlete's gender. There might be discounts to, for example, either of the genders. And pay by gender per sub event is another option where, for example, the men's division is $60 or female division is $120 according to their number of divisions that they're registering for. So for the regular registration period, we will continue to set up a flat fee structure here, where we can choose a role for athletes and say trainers are going to be charged a fee. I will click on add, and a flat fee of 100 euros is going to be added. I can click on save, and these event fees have been successfully added. Now for example, you also have coaches where a different fee structure would apply, say doctors and head of teams and managers. So I click on add. Say there is no registration fee for these roles here. All you need to do is a flat fee of 0 needs to be entered, and then click on save. And that is how you set up an event in the World Taekwondo Global Membership System. Now you can go back to the events, and the various details and documents that we've entered at the time of creation can be viewed here. So you click on the name of the event, and you've got the different registration periods over here. Any documents that you upload would also be available over here in this section. Thank you for watching the World Taekwondo Global Membership System tutorial.